Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple positions opened in Microsoft. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. This is like Microsoft Career official page. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. So here like the job description they mention like this is the job number and also they posted like July 13. So 3 days like weekly in office you have to visit. So travel they mention like less than 25%. So this position is for like software engineering discipline like they mentioned software engineering also. So this role like individual contributor is required and it's a full-time opportunity. Let's discuss more about the roles and responsibility. So here they mention like the candidate need to design, build and operate the scalable services that is managed required like allocation, placement and life cycle for Azure database workloads. Also, second point they mention like improve the service reliability, performance and availability through automation process and observability and incident prevention. Third point they mention like the candidate need to work with the cross-functional team members, those who are working with Azure data to the delivery, resilient and also customer like centric solution for mission critical workloads. So here also like as you are like engineering like you are going through software engineering, you have to practice include like CI/CD pipeline and also require like a test automation and also like telemetric driven development also you will learn and also develop DevOps like workflow also how it will work you will also learn from this company from your seniors and also they will give you continuous improvement for developer like productivity through tooling and also framework and automation. Now discuss about like what is the qualification minimum qualification required for this position and also like what is the skill required for this position. So they mention like bachelor degree is required and the stream also they mention computer science and related technical discipline also required for eligible for this position and also require like proven experience coding language. At least if you are joining as a fresher you have to explore more technology like as per the current era. So they mention like example like for C++, CS, Java, JavaScript, Python equivalent experience. At least some knowledge you have some like knowledge is required like for qualifying this particular interview. Now they mention like job requirements and other additional thing also they mention. They are saying like ability to meet Microsoft customer and also government security screening requirement for this role. This includes like this requirement includes but not in the limited to the following specialized security screening, that is like a Microsoft cloud background check. So as it is like a big MNC, so their background also very strong. So make sure like whatever document you are forwarding that is a valid document. Next point they mention like this position will be required to pass the Microsoft Cloud background check. So you have to fill your all the details. So then only like if the document is valid for you, so then only this position will be verified. And also they mentioned what every 2 year of their factor. So Microsoft as per the Microsoft condition every 2 years this condition will be applied. So every 2 years your document you have to qualify through this Microsoft Cloud background check. Next point they mention like this position will be open for minimum like of 5 days, will be application accepted ongoing basis until the position is filled. So now it's 13th of July. Make sure like 18th of July is the last date. So make sure like you have to fill before that. I hope like those who are watching this video, so everything is clear. And also one more point they mention like company and benefits. If you click this one, right, you will know like what company is providing for your benefits. Like flexibility they will give you, like balance what matters, your work life balance, team members to trust and autonomy and shared the accountability. Growth also required like it depends on your skill set and also like your performance wise you will get the performance band. And also here like well-being, so Microsoft as you know like Microsoft is a big MNC company, they will support for your body, mind and also financial future, so which will helpful your financial condition. Community also required, find your people, build your network and also feel supported everywhere on the way. So these are like benefits companies providing. Apart from that also once you join Microsoft you will get multiple perks, so that will helpful for your growth. So if you click this apply link, right, so it will redirect into this link and you have to click like depends on you, like if you have like Microsoft if you have account that one you can go through that way. either like LinkedIn, Google, or Facebook. So depends on your profitability, depends on your flexibility. You can go through this one. I hope like those who are watching this video, it's clear for everyone. Still, if you have any concern and doubt, kindly comment in the comment box. Once I'm available, I will reply for your message. Thank you so much like those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.